Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are main source of energy in our body. These are also known as energy-giving foods. There are many types of carbohydrates. The main carbohydrates found in our body are in form of starch and sugar. Proteins. Proteins are essential nutrients for human body. They are also known as body-building foods. Fish, seafoods, egg, meat, low-fat yogurt are some examples of protein. Fats. Fats also gives us energy. In fact, fats gives us more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Some examples: butter, oil or fried items, nuts, meat, fish, and some dairy products are some examples for fats. Now we can get into the main thing, that is the tests. So, carbohydrates or starch. Take a small quantity of food item or a raw ingredient. Put 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution on it. Observe if there is any changes in the color of food item. Did it turn blue-black? A blue-black color indicates that it contains starch. Now, test for proteins. Take a small quantity of food item for testing. Grind or smash a small quantity of that food item. Put some of it in a test tube. Add 10 drops of water to it and shake the test tube. Now, using a dropper, add 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of solution of caustic soda to the test tube. Shake well and let test tube stand for a few minutes. What we can see, it will turn to a violet color. The violet color indicates the proteins in the food item. Fats. Take a small quantity of food item. Wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Take care that the paper doesn't tear. Now, straighten the paper and observe. We can see an oily content on the paper. This oily patch on the paper shows that the food item contains fat. Ma'am, can I show this practically now?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So first we will go to, ma'am, can I stop share now?
Yeah.
Well, everyone can. Okay. So now we can test about the starch. So we did 2 things, that is any food contains starch. I took rice now and I take iodine solution. So we can put, this is rice, okay? I think you can see.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now we can add some iodine solution to it. Okay, then I'm mixing it. So you can see that it turned to blue-black. Ma'am, can you see?
Yes. What about others? Can you all see? Good.
We can see. We can see.
So this indicates that the blue-black color indicates that there is starch in this food item. So I hope all understood about the starch. Okay. Now we can test the second. Ma'am, I am really sorry about that. I can't do the protein.
No, you can do because you require copper sulfate. That is.
Yes, ma'am. Some chemicals are needed.
Okay.
So now we can take a piece of paper. And I took a fried item, that is potato fry. Now, okay, I took a piece of paper. You can see, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we can take and put a small piece on paper, and I'm just crushing it. Okay. Okay. So look at the oily content. Can you see that?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
can you see?
Yes. In the middle of the paper.
Yes, everyone can see.
When I tested first time, it came like this because I tried that time First time itself I did. And the skin. So
Yes.
this indicates that there is fat in this food item. Means I fried this food item and I kept it. So there is oily fats on this paper and this indicates that there is fat in this food item. So I hope all enjoyed my seminar and I hope all of you understood and thank you.
Very good seminar, Anushree. Everyone clap very well. Okay. Now, Anushree, you can ask some questions to anyone. Very good. Very well. You have done really well.
Okay.
Okay. Continue.
What color indicates that there is starch in the food? Question to Pooja.
Blue, black.
Yes, very good. Now, what color indicates that there is protein in the food item? Question to Anthony.
Violet.
Very good.
Very good.
Thank you.
Yes.
And can anyone name an example of protein food that, for example of protein foods? Anyone can raise their hand.
Milk. Can I?
Don't say can. I will not.
Just say one person. Anushree, is better you call out someone. Otherwise, everyone will started making noise.
Joel. Joel is ready. Okay, Joel.
Fish.
Can you say?
Meat and fish.
Okay.
Very
Now,
good, Joel. Me. Mm.
Okay. What is energy giving food? Which nutrient is known as energy giving food? Now, Krishna. You can unmute.
Carbohydrates and fats.
Okay.
Very good.
Then, which food is known as bodybuilding food? Rana. Bodybuilding food.
Bodybuilding food.
Yes.
Proteins.
Yes, proteins. Very good. Now, ma'am, can I stop?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. And thank you all my dear friends for cooperating with me.
Okay, very well done, children. So we got a very good idea. You can also show some video, Anushree, proteins. There is a video in the internet. We can, if you get time, we can also show that. Anyway, you complete your seminar. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, dear children. So give one more clap to Anushree and for all those who are giving the answer, because after the exam, it is really good for you to have a revision for all this. Okay, dear? Fine. So next seminar after your exam. Okay. So 2 people already done the seminar. The next seminar we are going to Aromal completed. Next, Christo.
Ma'am, I cannot on my video, ma'am.
Okay. Christo, I have given you the topic, no? I have given you the topic, correct?
Yeah,
Seminar. Huh? I did not give you the topic so far.
you gave with MD and so.
That's one. That is your topic, Christo? Unmute,
Yes,
unmute.
ma'am.
Okay. So that you can be ready by next Monday. Okay, next Monday, I think your exam will be
Okay, ma'am.
after the exam, okay? After that, you can who? Then Ayush PR is present today?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, fine. Then did I give to Daniel Melvin seminar topic? Okay.
Vitamin B, complex and K.
Okay. Devak Menon, is he present? Devak
Ma'am,
Menon?
I did already.
Already, you did last class.
Yesterday I did one.
Okay. Aramal, did we start the chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Then you give the homework.
Okay. So can you show the table? Those who written, just raise it up. Table. Everyone, just raise it up. The table. I told you to do it. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Show Anthony. Yeah. Anthony, can you read one of that? One of that, Anthony.
Okay, ma'am. Jug,
Jug made up of?
plastic and glass.
Okay. Pooja, read
Yes, ma'am.
one of the item you wrote.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Plastic.
Plastic. Pencil made up of plastic?
No, ma'am. Pencil box.
Pencil box. Say like that. Okay.
Pencil
Fia,
box.
yes. Show your what you wrote. Draw.
Ma'am, that itself box. Plastic.
Plastic. Okay. Who else? Only 3 people.
Is a pencil made up of wood?
Yeah, wood. Yeah. Yes. Anyone else? Yeah, Anushree. Yeah.
And water bottle.
Water bottle made up of
Steel.
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 Right, ma'am.
I told you to write 5. 5 and with what it is made up of. The things which is in your home. Don't write the things which is not in your home. Okay, I want the things which is not in your room.
Glass. Glass bottle.
Glass bottle made up of.
Glass.
Okay. Daniel, read.
Ma'am, file bag.
Wait.
Plastic.
Okay, Siana. Okay, very good. Daniel, read what you wrote. Any one item. Did you write the material and the things it's made up of?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I was thinking, Fia Maria, did you read it? No? Did you read? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony Joel, okay. Keep it down, Anthony. I asked you. What about any others apart from these students? Okay, very good. Keep it down.
I'm Edwin.
Edwin. Yeah, Edwin, read.
Scissors made up of steel.
Okay, very good. Okay, dear children, I am not forcing you now because I know it's a PT one, but I wanted by this week, everyone should write 5 items which is seen in your house. Those who written, no need of repeating. Others, majority only 5 or 6 students only wrote. Abhimanyu, you heard it? You heard it? So you have to write table 4.1 on page number 27. 5 items what you see in your home and then you have to see. So let us now see. What are the items which is around?
Excuse
What
me,
do you mean
ma'am.
by the term material?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ronita.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Nandida.
Ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am.
Tell, dear.
Ma'am,
I can... What happened to you? Someone is disturbing you. I can only hear ma'am. Tell me.
Ma'am.
What is the thing? You first stop laughing and then call me.
Ma'am, she's laughing.
You stop laughing.
Ma'am, I have done the activity.
For that you are laughing. Tell me, which is that one?
Because from computer also I have joined and from phone also. So that's why 2 sides are.
Who told you to join 2 sides? So I did not see in the class. Okay, now you tell me one of the material item you have written. Tell me, dear.
Table.
Table. Okay. What is that?
Wood.
Wood. Okay, very good. Yeah. So I think Ronita joined. I have seen her. You are very late. So at the end of the class, Vaiga and Ronita. Why did you join late, Vaiga?
Ma'am, I had an interruption, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am, I wrote.
Who is that?
Daniel.
Daniel. Tell me.
Newspaper.
Newspaper. Made out of?
Paper.
Okay, fine. Okay, children. So everyone knows what you mean by material. Now let us see. How can you define the word material? So what are material? Material is a physical substance used to make things. Okay. So what is the definition of the material? Material is a physical substance used to make things. Metals, plastics, ceramics, glass and fibers are some of the main categories for materials. So ceramics. Yeah. So what I wanted, you have to write first. Write this part. Material is a physical substance used to make things. Right now. Example for materials, you have to write. This is the example. Metals, plastics, ceramics.
So we should write what is material.
No. Just to write the heading materials. Okay. Just write the heading material.
Okay, ma'am.
Then after that you can write this: physical substance used to make things. That's enough. First write materials, then put hyphen or arrow, and then write physical substance used to make things. Now, examples you should write everything, because these are the something which is we are using at home. Metals, plastics, you know. Metals means copper, iron, okay, gold, silver, all these are metals. Plastic already every know. Majority in our house, all the things are plastics. Then ceramics. Ceramics means now Anusri has showed me one container, correct? Where she mixed the iodine solution and the rice. That is
ceramic
that is ceramic. That is I don't know. Is it heavy or light? Anusri.
Heavy one.
Heavy one.
Heavy.
It is ceramic. So top pieces are ceramic, and similarly we also have some of the plates. The plates what we which can broken, yeah, like different flowers, design and all. That also some are ceramics, which is little more lighter. It is not only plastic, it is not plastic, but as well as it is just lighter. You will get plenty like that in our uh, house appliances. So it is not pure plastic, they are fiber. Okay, even our spectacle, the spectacles, the frame of my spectacle, it's a fiber. So plastic means which can bend, which can melt and all, they are little more strong. Fiber also is a little more strong. Okay, and some of your hair bands, some are using hair bands, look like plastic, some are fiber. And we also have so many cosmetic bottles and all, and then some of the vessels which is made up of fiber. Someone's this thing is making noise. Can you mute it? That beating sound is I am getting. Yeah, okay. Yes. So did you write the examples, dear? So a physical substance used to make things are known as materials. Example: metals, plastics, ceramics, glass, and fibers.
Ma'am,
Okay. Okay, fine. So if you look around,
we need to write.
no need, no need. These are all the things just I made you to do the activity. If we look around, everything we see is made from a material, sometimes more than one. For example, so material, all the materials are not made up of one thing. It is also made up of so many other things also. So for example, if you talk about the pen, or pen is not everything fully, it's not plastic. Okay, so the tip of the pen is a metal. So one thing can be made more than one material. Okay, like our cloth. Yes, we have cotton cloth, nylon cloth, rayons. You have studied in the 5th standard, fourth standard, fiber to fiber. In that chapter, you have seen so many different type of materials around us. Sometimes even our cloth, it looks like a cotton, but it will be mixed with the polyester or nylon or rayon, like that. So that's why. So all things are not made up of one material. It is a mixture of more than one material. There are some aluminum vessels. Sometimes we have copper vessels. Copper vessels means it is made up of copper, but not fully copper. Maybe the down part is copper, but upper part is made up of steel. So like that. So materials can be different, but it can be made out of so many things, more than one. Okay. So that is the meaning of it. So if you look around, everything we see is made from a material, sometimes more than one. So that's why I explained to you already what is in the slide. Can you read, Ahil, what is on the slide from here to here? Already explained, you can read now.
If we look around, everything we see is made up from a material, sometimes more than one. For example, the clothes you are wearing are made from fibers. The chair you are sitting on is made from plastic. The windows in the school are made from glass.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Ahil. So these are the some pictures of the materials which is around you.
Can you show the previous slide?
Previous, you don't have to write this one, okay? No need of writing. Only what I told you, only write. Material and plus the example. That's enough. Okay. So these are the some pictures you already know. Told me fabric, wood, plastic, paper, metal, desk. Okay. All these are some of the materials. You know it around it. This is also very plenty. And
Can you show before, ma'am?
what?
Just before slide.
Before slide.
Example size slide.
This one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Have you studied in English something regarding this material?
Yes, ma'am.
What you call for that?
Material nouns.
Material nouns. Okay, very good. Okay, so we can have the English class also here. So fabric, wood, plastic, all these are known as material nouns. Okay.
Material noun.
Ah, okay, fine. Then no need of writing everything. This is around you. Plastic spoons, plastic rings, plastic combs, plastic bottles, all this. Don't. And we also have seen. And apart from this, other things. What you see, this if you want, you can just write it down. Majority have told plastic, wood, glass vessel. Apart from this, we also have another material made up of rubber.
Rubber banding.
Rubber band made up of rubber.
Rubber
Made
trees.
up of rubber. Yeah, it is. We are getting from rubber trees, but from the tree we are getting the pulp of the rubber and then making it to sheet. So all these materials are made up of rubber.
We get like glue thing. Glue.
Glue thing. And maybe some of your parents may have acres of rubber field. Yeah, it's part of your business, especially Kottayam, even Thrissur, some part of the areas we have a lot of rubbers. Even in our mala.
Ma'am, next to here.
Ma'am, if you go some kilometers away, I can see the rubber trees.
Yes, if you go to Kottamuri, Annamanada, then
can also-
Ambalakkad.
My brother's house side is many rubber trees is there.
Yes, yes. So one of the material which you did not tell is rubber. So these are the material made out of rubber. Rubber band, tire, eraser.
Ma'am, rubber is natural material.
Rubber is a natural material.
Yes.
But the things what we made is not a natural. We are making human made. So rubber is a natural material. And out of that, majority of the things around us, tires, eraser, rubber balls, hoses, pipes, boots, all these things. Okay. So rubber is made using the sap from rubber trees. What you call for that glue thing. At pulp, what we call for sap.
Yes, ma'am.
It is known as sap. Okay, dear. So sap or another word is latex. So you can just copy down this because this is not seen. Majority did not say anything about the rubber. So you can have it. So rubber is made using the sap or latex from rubber trees. It is used to make objects such as tires, hoses, boots, and balloons. Plenty. We can write a lot of rubber items. Okay. So I think today this much is enough. We just have an introduction part. You also brought some of the things in your house to show you. And those who do not complete table 4.1, please complete it. Okay. So next class, I will make you, I think we have one more class. So we will discuss the next part.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Attendance you will not. Ma'am,
Yeah, I already have taken.
just my last line, ma'am. Just
No
a minute.
problem.
I-
Next class, I'll show
I
you.
can
We have
do
one more
before,
complete.
Next class.
Network
Ah.
issue was there, ma'am. So I
11:50.
came before.
Yes.
Thank
So
you.
wait, those who are not written, you can complete by 11:50.